Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video for OnlyOffice Spreadsheet. In this video, we're going to be looking at freezing panes. And this allows you to freeze a row or a column or a section of rows and columns that are next to each other, so you can compare data that's much lower or much farther to the right in a spreadsheet with the frozen rows by moving it up or to the left, scrolling, so that it can be put side by side or right below the frozen data. So to do that, I'm going to freeze this last row in the for Afghanistan. And so to do that, I actually want to select this row 32 for Africa, and then I'm already in the view ribbon, but if you're not, you would just simply click that and just simply click freeze pane. And as you can see, I'm scrolling up and down, and everything below that 31 Afghanistan row is scrolling, but the entire spreadsheet is no longer scrolling, so everything is being pushed up against the 31 Afghanistan, so it's easy to compare data that's much lower in the spreadsheet to that 31 row. Like I said, this can also be done on columns simply by clicking the desired column that's to the right of the column you want to freeze, and then clicking freeze pane. And then I'll reduce the size of the spreadsheet. But as you can see, the mid-period column is frozen and everything else is scrolling up to the right of it. This quick video from OS College has been about freezing panes, freezing rows and columns in OnlyOffice's spreadsheet application. Be sure to subscribe and click like on this video, and you'll receive notifications of future videos about OnlyOffice applications and other Office Suite applications. You can watch more videos about various Office Suites on the OS College YouTube channel. There are more videos, articles, and other information about various applications on the OS College website, oscollege.com. Also, be sure to check us out on Facebook. Quick videos are 2 to 5 minute videos that explain a particular aspect or function of an application. OnlyOffice is a desktop office suite that can be installed on Windows, Mac, and various Linux distros. It also has a online service that organizations can subscribe to, so their employees or members can collaborate with each other. It can be accessed through the desktop editors and a web browser on any operating system. Thank you for watching.